First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in the lesson number 58 for grade 1 mathematics. What we are studying nowadays, guys, that's multiplication, right? We started multiplication in this week, and we studied about the repeated addition method, and
شوف بيقول ايه اسمه.
you have
روح امشي روح امشي امشي.
good command on finding out the doubles. How can you find out the doubles we learned yesterday? If you want to find out the double of any number, you can add the number by itself. Let's suppose you want to find out the double of 7, so you will add 7 with 7. If you want to find out the double of 4, you will add 4 with 4. If you want to find out the double of 3, you will add 3 with 3. And same way as if you want to find out the double of 15, you will add 15 with 15. In that way, you can find out the double. So we practiced it yesterday and we finished the page number 64 of your book, right? Today I'm going to start page number 65, and that is a new topic. And in this topic, we are going to learn the tables, that is multiplication tables of 2, 5, and 10. And this is something very important, guys. You have to concentrate and you have to listen to me very carefully. First, you look at the examples here of the book. If you look here, so there are 3 balls. You can see this is the one ball, another ball, and another balls. 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 balls. Okay. And how many fishes are there in one ball? You have to tell me. Yes. In each ball, how many fishes are there, guys?
2.
Two.
2.
Two. Very good.
Two.
Those who are saying 6, they are wrong because they did not listen to me. They are not listening my question. I am asking how many goldfish are there in one ball. So you say, sir, 2. So I can also say there are 3 groups of 2. There are 3 groups of 2. So I can write here there are 3 groups of 2. Okay, because 1, 2, 3, there are 3 groups, and in every group there are 2 fish. So I can write 3 groups of 2. In order to find out how many total fishes are there, I have 2 ways. Either I can find out the double of 3, because there are 3 groups of 2. Okay, so if I double 3, so I will find out the answer 6. Or the another method, I can use multiplication. I can multiply 3 by 2. Okay, I can multiply 3 by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 will also give me 6. That's mean there are total 6 goldfishes altogether. How do I know? Because there are 3 groups, there are 3 balls, and in every ball there are 2 goldfish. So I can add 3 2 times, or I can multiply 3 by 2. There is one more way. Because there are 2 fish in every group, so I can add 2 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2. That will also give me 6. So in these ways, I can find out how many total fishes are there, right? Now, let's learn if we have another groups. So what we can do? We have seen that when we multiply 3 by 2, so the answer is 6. Now we have to see if we have other numbers to multiply with 2, what will be the answer? Look at here. Consider it as 2 fish. This is one group of 2 fishes. Okay. So if I ask you how many fishes are there, so you will say, sir, there are 2 fishes. There are 2 fishes. 2 plus nothing, 0, because there is only one group. 2 plus 0 equals to 2. Okay. Or you can also say 2 multiply by 1. In one group there are 2 fishes and there is only one group. So total fishes are 2. All right, guys. Let's move further. If I say, you can also say like 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. Okay. Coming here, you have to tell me how many group of 2's are there. How many groups of 2's are there? Yes, guys. Tell me how many group of 2's are there. Yes.
1.
No, this is not one group. This is one group. Now I am asking for, let me erase it. Then I will use pointer. Now I am asking for this one. Okay, this is one group. In one group you have two fishes. Now I am asking how many group of twos are there? One and two. So how many group of twos are there? Yes, two. The answer is two. There are two groups of twos. Okay, there are two groups of twos. This is one and this is two. So two groups of twos. How you can write it? You can write it like, how many groups? There are two groups. So you will add two times. In order to find total fishes, you will add two times, because in every group there are two fishes and there are total two groups. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Right? Or if you want to write in the multiplications sentence, so you write 2 multiply by 2 will give you 4. Why 2 multiply by 2? Because in every group there are two fishes and there are total two groups. So you can write in any way. 2 plus 2 equals to 4 and 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. So there are total 4 fishes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's move to the next. Now you have to tell me about this one. This one. You have to tell me how many group of twos are there. Yes, guys. How many group of twos are there? What happened? Yes, how many group of twos are there? Three. Very good, very good, very good. Very good. That's mean there are three groups of two. There are three groups of two. In one group, how many fishes are there? Two. Very good, very good. There are three groups and in one group there are two fishes. So how you can write it by repeated addition method? You can write like this. You can write there are three groups of two. So you will add 2 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 and 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Or another method is you can write 2 multiply by 3. Why you multiply 2 by 3? Because in one group there are two fishes. And how many total groups are there? There are total 3 groups. So 2 multiplied by 3 will always give you 6. That's mean there are 6 fishes altogether in this one. Okay, let's move to the next one. Now you have to tell me the answer of this one. Check how many groups are there and tell me how many groups are there. Yes, guys, how many group of twos are there? Very good, very good. There are 4. And in one group, how many fishes are there?
5.
Don't hurry. Okay, try to answer correct. Okay, try to give me answer correct. Don't give me tell me the wrong answers, right? There are 4 groups and in every group there are 2 fishes. Okay, So if I want to know how many total fishes are there, what I will do? First, I make sure how this is for group. Look here. If anybody is having confusion, if anybody is confused, are there four groups or not? So look here. This is one, this is two, this is three, and this is four. So there are four groups. Okay. In one group, how many fishes are there? There are two fishes. Okay. I want to write with the help of repeated addition method. So there are four groups. So I will add 2 4 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and 4 time. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4. This, and then 4 plus 2 equals to 6, and 6 plus 2 equals to 8. So 2 4 times is equals to 8. I can also write 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. This is your answer. How many total fishes are there? There are total 8 fishes. 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. Now, I will go to the next, and you have to tell me how many total groups are there. How many group of 2's are there? You have to tell me, guys. How many group of 2's are there? Yes.
Five.
And in one group, how many fishes are there? Yes. In one group, how many fishes are there? Very good, very good, very good, very good. That's mean there are 5 group of 2's. There are 5 group of 2's. If I want to find out how many total fishes are there, so what I will do, I will write there are 5 groups of 2's, so I will add 2 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. If I add 5 times 2, what will be the answer? 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. 6 plus 2 equals to 8, and 8 plus 2 equals to 10. So that will be 10, or I can multiply 2 by 5. 5 times 2 is equals to 10, right? I again explain you guys. This was one group of 2. So one group of 2 is equals to 2. Either you add 0 in 2 or you multiply 2 by 1. So we are going to learn today multiplication. So 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. If there are two groups of 2, that means you will add 2 times or you multiply 2 by 2. 2 times is equals to 4. Okay. If you have 3 groups of 2, so you will add 2 3 times or you will multiply 2 by 3. So 3 times 2 is equals to what? 6. Okay. This one, there are 4 groups of 2. So in order to find 4 groups of 2, either you add 2 4 times or you multiply 2 by 4. So 4 times 2 is equals to 8. For 5, either you add 2 5 times, okay, or you multiply 2 by 5. So 2 5 times is equals to 10. This is the table of 2 from 1 to 5. Anyone is having any problem in the question? Do you understand table of multiplication of table of 2 in the multiplication? Yes. Very good. When you have one group of 2, you will multiply 2 by 1. When you have two group of 2, you will multiply 2 by 2. When you have 3 group of 2, you multiply 2 by 3. When you have 4 group of 2, you will multiply 2 by 4. And when you have 5 group of 2, you multiply 2 by 5. You know, guys, why we need to learn these tables? Why should we go for multiplication? Because for a bigger number, repeated addition is difficult. Like here, you count 5 times 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and again plus 2. Okay, then you go for 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times. So it will be difficult for you to count these numbers. Okay, but if you know the tables, so you can directly tell me the answer. If I ask you, there are, let's suppose I have, there are 4 group of 2 apples. How many total apples are there? So you will say, sir, 8. Let's suppose there are 7 groups of 2 apples. How many total apples are there? So you will say 14. Let's suppose you say, let's suppose I ask you, there are 3 groups of 2 apples. How many total apples are there? So you will say, sir, there are 6 apples, right? So I'm going to ask you the same question and you have to answer me. The question is, there are 3 groups of 2 pens. There are 3 groups of 2 pens. How many total pens are there? You can check the answer with the table also, no problem. There are 3 groups of 2 pens. How many total pens are there? I'm writing a question for you guys. There are 3 groups of 2 pens. How many total pens are there? You have to answer me. There are 3 groups of 2 pens. How many total pens are there?
5. 5.
Those students who are saying 5, they are wrong. There are 3 groups of 2 pens. Means 2 plus 2 plus 2. 3 times you will add 2. There are 3 groups. Look here. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 2 pens. So you add 2 3 times. So that will be 6. Or you multiply 2 by 3. That will be also 6. So there are 6 pens altogether. 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. Okay. Now if I ask you, there are 4 groups of 2 cherries. There are 4 groups of 2 cherries. Can you tell me how many total cherries are there? Yes. How many total cherries are there?
8.
Very good. Very good. The answer is 8. Now I'm going to ask one question and you have to answer me in the chat. The question is, there are 5 groups of 2 chocolates. There are 5 groups of 2 chocolates. How many total chocolates are there? You have to answer me in the chat box. There are 5 groups of 2 chocolates. How many total chocolates are there? Yes, guys. How many total chocolates are there? Muhammad Talha, very good. Muhammad Kashan, Sayyid Usafa, very good. Uday, Rayan, Arish, very good. Suleiman Al-Ghali, very good. Muhammad Ali, Abdul Mueed, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Hatim, Yasim, Muhammad, very good. Raka, Muhammad Al-Roni, Muhammad Majdi, Ali Ahmad, Abdul Mueed, very good. Yusuf Al-Mahmoud, very good. Yes, guys, the answer is 10. Suleiman Tariq, Time Knife, Sami Hijazi, Umar Mohsen, good. Abdul Mueed, again and again, Abdul Mueed, don't answer. Answer only one time. Muaz, very good. Very good, guys. So there will be total 10 chocolates. Okay. How do you know? You can either add 2 5 times because there are 5 groups, or it will be easy for you to multiply 2 by 5. 2 multiplied by 5 is always equals to 10. So there will be total 10 chocolates. That's why we learn the tables, so that it will be easy for us to find out the answers. Now we will go further. In this one, we have to check how many group of 2's are there. Yes, guys, you have to tell me how many group of 2's are there. I'm talking here. Yes.
7. 6.
1,
7.
Not 7. I'm asking for this one. Okay, this one. I'm asking for this one. Check here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how many group of 2s are there? Yes, guys. Very good. There are total 6 group of 2s. So we can write there are 6 group of 2s. So how can I write? I can add 2 6 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And one of you will help me to answer is Rayan.
Hi, sir.
Rayan, please close your mic, okay? Look, you have to answer me. 2 plus 2 is equals to what?
What, sir?
Tell me, 2 plus 2 is equals to?
No, 4.
4. Now add this 2 with 4. 4 plus 2 is equals to?
4. 6.
Okay. Now add this 2 with 6. 6 plus 2 is equals to?
8.
Very good. And 8 plus 2 is equals to?
10.
And 10 plus 2 is equals to?
12.
So when you
1,
add 2
2,
6
3,
times, that will be 12.
1, 3, 4.
This means, guys, 2 multiplied by 6 will always be equal to 12. If you multiply 2 by 6, 2 with 6, that will be 12. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Now now I'll go for the last one. This is 2 multiplied by. This is going to be 2 multiplied by 7. How many group of 2s are there? And I will ask one of you. Arish,
Yes, sir.
how many group of 2s are there in the last one? This one.
7.
7. Very good. There are 7 groups of 2. Okay. How can I write it? With the help of repeated addition. 2 plus, how many times I should write 2? I should add 2. Yes, 7. Okay, 2 plus 2, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and 7 times. Now we have to find out the answer. 2 plus 2 is equals to Arish? Yes? 2 plus 2 is equals to? Hello? 2 plus 2 is equals to?
14.
14. What are you saying? 2 plus 2 equals to?
14.
No. Answer me step by step. 2 plus 2 is equals to?
4.
4. Now add this 2 with this 4. 4 plus 2 is equals to?
6.
6 plus 2 is equals to?
8.
8 plus 2 is equals to?
10.
10 plus 2 is equals to?
12.
And 12 plus 2 is equals to?
14.
14. When you add 2 7 times, it will be 14. So 2 multiplied by 7 will be also 14. Thank you.
2 14.
Very good. Thank you. So 2 multiplied
Welcome.
by 7 is equals to 14. Okay. Now coming to this one. And you have to tell me how many group of 2s are there. Muhammad Kashan.
Yes, sir.
How many group of 2s are there? Can you see my cursor?
This one.
Yes. Count how many group of 2s are there? 8. So
8.
I should add 2 how many times?
8 times.
Okay, count with me. 2, 3, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and 8 times. Now we have to find out the answer. Add 2 plus 2 is equals to?
4.
4 plus 2 is equals to?
6.
6 plus 2 is equals to?
8.
And 8 plus 2 is equals to?
9. 10.
10 plus 2 is equals to?
12.
12 plus 2 is equals to?
14.
And 14 plus 2 is equals to?
16.
16. That's mean when you add to 8 times, you will get the answer 16. Or 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16. Guys, wait for a while, please. Just wait for a minute. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So when you add 8 times 2, you will get the answer 16. Okay. So guys, have you checked that when you add 8 times, 9 times, or 7 times, so it will be difficult for you. But if you know the table, you can directly tell me. If I ask you how many, if there are 8 groups of 2s, 8 group of 2 fishes, how many total fishes are there? So you will directly say there are 16 fishes, right? So
Okay.
let's come to the last one. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 groups. There are 9 groups of 2s. Okay, there are 9 groups of 2s. So what you will do? You will add 2 how many times? So this is for all of you. You all have to tell me the answer. I should add 2 how many times? If there are 9 groups?
8. 9.
9 times. 9 times. 9 times. Very good. Look here. I add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'll start adding one by one. I'll add these two first. 2 plus 2, 4. Then 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. And 16 plus 2, 18. If I add 9 times 2, so I'll get 18. This means 2 multiplied by 9 will be equal to 18. 9 times 2 is equals to 18. Okay, let's come here. Tell me how many group of 2s are there in the last one. Count and tell me how many group of 2s are there, guys.
10.
10. Very good. Very good.
10.
And in one group, how many fishes are there? 2. Very good. So how many times I should add 2? How many times I should add 2? 10 times. 10 times. Very good. If I want to know how many total fishes are there, if I want to know how many total fishes are there, so I will add 2 10 times. 2
10
plus
times.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now I will add 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, and 18 plus 2, 20. So when you add 10 times 2, so you will get the answer 20. 10 times 2 equals to 20. Okay, so this is the table you have to learn. This is table of 2. 2 is 2 into 6 times 12, 2 7 times 14, 2 8 times 16, 2 9 times 18, and 2 10 times 20. This is your table of 2. So how can I check? I can say it. There are two groups of 1. So that will be 2 fishes. If there are two groups of 2, there are two groups of 2 fishes. So there will be 4 fishes. And there are two groups of 3 fishes. There will be 6 fishes. If there are two groups of 4 fishes, there will be 8 fishes. Two groups of 5 will give us 10. Two groups of 6 will give us 12. Two groups of 7 will give us 14. In the same way, up to 10. Or I can also say 1 times 2 is equals to 2, 2 times 2 is equals to 4, 3 times 2 is equals to 6, 4 times 2 is equals to 8, 5 times 2 is equals to 10, 6 times 2 is equals to 12, 7 times 2 is equals to 14, 8 times 2 is equals to 16, 9 times 2 is equals to 18, and 10 times 2 is equals to 20. What you have to do, guys, you have to you have to learn the table of 2. You have to practice for the table of 2, because this is very important. Okay, and for the units in further classes, this will really help you. So this is the table of 2. You have to practice for the table of 2. I will ask the questions tomorrow for these table of 2. Okay, we have still 2 minutes, so I can ask some questions from you. And it is Muhammad Momin.
Yes.
Muhammad Momin, if there are two groups, if there are 4 groups of 2 bananas, how many total bananas will be there? There are 4 groups of 2 bananas. How many total bananas? Very good, very good. It will be 8 bananas. 2 multiplied by 4. Very good. Okay, guys. If I ask you, there are 5 groups of 2 sharpeners. Okay, if there are 5 groups of 2 sharpeners, how many total sharpeners are there? And I will ask with Sam Samir Mohsin. Yes.
Yes.
If there are 5 groups of 2 sharpeners, how many total sharpeners are there?
10.
10. Very good. Very good. So in this way, I will ask you verbally questions also, and we will also study table of 5 tomorrow. So take care of yourself, guys. A period is finished. I'll see you inshallah into the next class. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next class.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.